Hello guys, good morning. So today we'll see Marketing Cloud Administrator certification maintenance for winter 25. So we have the multi-choice questions is there. So we'll see one by one. So what is a row set limit for a AMP script retrieve Salesforce objects? How many rows? That is 1,000 rows. Next, so how can an admin improve the security using new permissions for SFTP users? SFTP. Customize users of some directory, create a SSH key, assign the specific access level. Okay, we'll go for E. Next. So, what can an administrator do with the filters on an automation history dashboard? Search by the automation name and name or status. So, what is the primary advantage of using the smart time scheduling recommendations? Okay, we'll go for D. It helps schedule automations to run during more efficient periods. Which details about automation can an admin view in CSV history downloaded? Source, creation date, and frequency, the most recent run date and time, intelligence reports, and a data cloud usage. We'll go for D. Right? Source, creation date, and frequency, the most recent run date and time. Right? Then check the quiz. So we completed marketing a cloud administrator certification winter 25.